Hello and welcome to this installment of the 710A Bond Meter tutorial series. My name is Richard Steiner and I'm an applications engineer here at TEGAM. Today we're going to be going over the basic operations of the 710A. The 710A has 5 ranges and an automatic mode. To select a range from the lowest range, simply press the up key or the down key to go back to the range lower. There's 5 ranges to choose from. And if you press it one more time, you'll go into the automatic mode. The 710A has several display indicators to give you additional information about the measurement being taken. Over. This means that the measurement's over range. If possible, change to a higher range by pressing the up key. Under. This means that the measurement is 10% or less of the range. If possible, you can change to a lower range by pressing the down key. The 710A features open lead detection on all ranges. A current is sourced between the Kelvin connectors in order to determine whether or not the connection is closed or open. If the unit detects an open circuit in either channel, it will illuminate the open annunciator along with the channel that the unit has detected an open circuit in. When using the 710A with MKP, BKP, or MCP probes, the open and channel annunciators will be illuminated when they're not connected to a device under test. If using the Kelvin clips, the word NO-DUT, which stands for no device under test, will be on the screen until a device under test is hooked up to the instrument. The 710A has 2 backlight modes. To use the backlight, press the backlight key. The backlight will stay on for 20 seconds after every key press. In order to leave the backlight on indefinitely, simply hold the backlight key until the screen flashes. This concludes this installment of the 710A tutorial series. For more information, please visit us on the internet at tegam.com.